Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Swati. Today I am going to explain you basic things in the SketchUp. If you are beginner, if you are trying to create any modeling like a building modeling or how to create a room, you are having such queries or question, this video definitely will help for you to create those things. So let's start. In this video, I am going to explain you how to create a room in the SketchUp. So this you can call it as a basic video or basic tutorial for the SketchUp. So let's create a room. For that, I have taken one rectangle from here. So just take a rectangle which is having room size. So I'll take it of 12 feet by 10 feet. Enter. So now I'm going to give the wall thickness as a 6 inches. So you can take it up to you 9 inches, 4.5 inches, 4 inches accordingly. So I have taken it of 6 inches value. So let's extrude the floor first. So 3 inches floor thickness I'll give, and then I'll give the wall height as a 10 feet. So now I'm going to create a doors and windows for this room. So for that, what I'll do, if you are feeling this as a difficult or anything, I'll create first door and window space, and then we will extrude all the walls. So first here I'll consider here we are having the door. So what I'll do here, we are having tape measurement. So we have to give the gap for the hinge up to 3 inches to 6 inches you can give, or 1 inches also you can keep. So how much you want, accordingly you have to give the gap for the hinge, and then I'll take the door size as a standard 3 feet. Enter. So now we got the space for the door. So what we have to do, just create a rectangle over there to extrude the and erase whatever tape measurement lines we have done for the reference. Next to that, here we have to take the window. So here you will get the definitely by default midpoint for the window. So after that you have to create a window. How much size we are having, accordingly we have to select. So I'm going to take 3 by 4 window. So 1.5 feet both side I'll give the tape measurement. So both side 1.5 feet. So I'll repeat same procedure for every window. So let's do that. So here 1.5 feet. So it is doesn't matter how much size you are taking. It is not a compulsory to take 1.5 feet. So you have to think about your standard whatever dimension you want to create for your project. So accordingly you can take 3 by 4, 4 by 5 or 5 by 6 window size. According to your project. So I have created again rectangles for all the windows, and then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a shape particular opening for the windows and door. So I'll select first here uh, seal height for the window 3 feet. Everywhere I'll create it as a 3 feet from the floor. So next to that, here what we have to do, remaining whatever walls are there, for that we have to give 10 feet height. So before that, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a door space as a 7 feet. Next to that, here we are going to extrude the walls. So before that, what I have to do now, now I'm going to extrude all the walls up to 10 feet height. So now we are having 7 feet as a door. So after that, again we have to give 3 feet height for the slab. So we are having standard we have taken as a 10 feet. So up to 10 feet everywhere I'm going to extrude the walls. So except window portion, everything I'm going to extrude. up to 10 feet we have to extrude. So everywhere we will do the same thing. Now, as you can see in this particular model, 7 feet for the door, and then 3 feet we have given for the window seal height. After the seal height, we are going to create our window. But again, we have to go for the tape measurement. Now we are having 3 by 4 window. So here 4 feet height for the window, we have to give 4 feet. Everywhere I'll give the 4 feet height. So both side we got the reference line. So we will draw a particular line for this. Again here also I'm going to draw a line. After that I'll connect this faces by using the push pull option, or you can call it as extrude. So here everywhere I'll connect the faces, and remaining whatever tape lines I'll erase that one. After that again we have to erase this particular line. Wherever you don't want to see that line, everywhere we have to erase. So these are the very basic things. Just we have to use the tape lines, tape measurement. You can call it as again. We can call it as a reference line as well. After if you will take the reference line, you have to delete or erase that particular line. Now I'm going to connect this, and here we are having the floor, so that I have drawn that line for the reference. Next to that, again, what I'm going to do to identify, I'll apply particular color for this door. After that, this whatever wall portion, I'll connect this. So as you can see in this video or in this model, we have given opening for the door, again opening for the windows as well. And again, first we have created floor which is having 3 inches. Thickness, and again after that we have extruded everywhere. We have created door and window space, and then we have extruded it to the 3 feet seal height, and after that we have extruded the wall up to the 10 feet height, and remaining whatever windows portion we have taken the tape measurement which is having 4 feet height, and then we have extruded all the walls and we have connected, and then this opening we have got. So how to create windows and door, that particular video already I have uploaded. That link I'll mention in description as well as on screen. You can go and check that particular video, how to create doors and windows in SketchUp. So I hope you have understand this basic concept in SketchUp, how to do the modeling, how to create, how to use the push pull option, how to use the tape measurement, and what are the standard values.